Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and today we're taking a closer look at something that's designed not just for watching movies, but for experiencing them the way they were meant to be seen. I'm talking about the Sony VPLVW385ES 4K HDR home theater video projector. And yeah, if you want to pick this up, the link's down there in the description. Let's get into it. So right out of the box, the VPLVW385ES screams premium. It's not flashy, no gimmicks, but it has that clean, minimal, professional-grade aesthetic. And that makes sense because this projector is aimed at serious home theater enthusiasts. We're talking native 4K resolution, not pixel-shifted, actual 4096 by 2160 pixels projected straight to your screen. Sony's been leading the native 4K projector game for a while now, and the VPLVW385ES is a perfect example of why. Under the hood, it uses Sony's SXRD panel technology, that's their version of LCOS, and it delivers stunningly deep blacks, crazy contrast, and super sharp detail, even in the darkest scenes. It's got 1,500 lumens of brightness, which might not sound like much compared to some laser projectors, but remember, this isn't built for a living room during the daytime. This is built for a controlled lighting home theater setup. And in that environment, it absolutely shines. Colors are vibrant, and when you factor in HDR10 and HLG support, you're getting a dynamic range that feels cinematic. Shadow detail is excellent, highlights pop, and skin tones stay natural. This isn't one of those projectors that cranks up the contrast for fake wow factor. It's tuned for accuracy. One of the best features? The motorized lens. You get powered zoom, focus, and lens shift, which makes installation a lot easier, especially if you're ceiling mounting it or have a large screen. And Sony includes lens memories too, so you can switch between different aspect ratios, like 16:9 for TV content or 2.35:1 for CinemaScope, with the press of a button. If you're rocking a scope screen, you'll appreciate that a lot. Motion handling is another strong suit here. Whether you're watching sports, action movies, or even playing games, Sony's motion flow tech keeps everything looking smooth without introducing that soap opera effect, unless you want that look, because it's adjustable. Now let's talk about input lag. At around 27 milliseconds, this isn't a gaming-focused projector, but for casual or even serious cinematic gaming, it holds its own. It's definitely fast enough for single-player experiences, and the image quality more than makes up for the latency if gaming isn't your primary use. Fan noise? Practically silent. You'll hear it if you're really listening for it, but during regular playback, especially with a sound system, you'll forget it's even there. It runs cool and quiet, which is always a plus in a home theater setup. One area where Sony's a bit behind the curve is smart features. There's no built-in Android TV or streaming apps here. It's strictly a display device. But honestly, that's fine. Most home theater users are running an external source anyway, Apple TV, NVIDIA Shield, or a dedicated Blu-ray player. Build quality is excellent. It's big and hefty, no surprise there, but everything from the vents to the lens cover feels premium. And that's what you're paying for, a top-tier home theater projector with an uncompromising focus on image quality. So, who is this for? If you're looking for a projector to casually watch Netflix in a bright living room, this isn't it. But if you've got a dedicated space, light-controlled, properly set up, screen on point, and you want a projector that delivers real-deal cinema quality, this Sony VPLVW385ES earns its place in that setup. Yeah, it's a serious investment, but the image quality, the native 4K clarity, the HDR tone mapping, the black levels, it all adds up to one of the most immersive home theater experiences you can get without walking into an actual cinema. Anyway, that's it from me on this one. If you want to buy the Sony VPLVW385ES 4K HDR home theater video projector, make sure to hit that link in the description below. I'm Tech Jake, and I'll catch you in the next one.